Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today our topic is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense represents a continuous action which will happen in the future for a duration of time. Let's look at some examples. I will be reading the book I bought recently. I will not be writing any articles next month. Will they be teaching online? All of these actions can continue to happen for a duration of time. The structure of the future continuous tense remains the same with all the different subject pronouns. I will be walking, you will be playing, she will be sleeping, he will be making something, it will be baking a cake, we will be shopping, you will be writing letters, they will be drawing pictures. For the negative form, again, the structure does not change with any of the subject pronouns. In the negative sentences, we use will not be, and the contraction of will not be is won't be. I will not be walking. You will not be playing. She won't be sleeping. He won't be making a project. It won't be baking. We won't be shopping. You won't be writing. They won't be drawing. Let's look at interrogatives. You can see that the position of the subject and the modal verb will has been swapped to form the questions. Will I be walking? Will you be playing? Will she be sleeping? Will he be making? Will it be baking? Will we be shopping? Will you be writing? Will they be drawing? And the negative interrogative questions can be, won't I be walking? Won't you be playing? Won't she be playing? And when we don't use the contraction, the question will be, will he not be making the project? Will it not be baking? Will we not be shopping? And the short replies to these questions are, yes, I will. Yes, you will. Yes, they will. No, he won't. No, it won't. No, we won't. No, you won't. If we wish to form WH questions in the future continuous tense, we just have to add the question words in the beginning of the yes-no question. How long will he be walking? When will she be playing? Why will I be sleeping? Where will it be baking? Where will we be shopping? How long will you be writing? When will they be drawing? When we use the future continuous tense in speaking, we often contract the subject and the modal verb will. I will becomes I'll. You will becomes you will. He will becomes he'll. She will becomes she'll. It will becomes it'll. We will becomes we'll. They will becomes they'll. In negative sentences, we may contract with won't, like this. I will not becomes I won't. You will not becomes you won't. He will not becomes he won't. She will not becomes she won't. It will not becomes it won't. We will not becomes we won't. They will not becomes they won't. Now I would want you to form the negatives of the following sentences. Pause the video here and change the sentences to negative forms. Now you can check your answers. Again pause the video and now change the following sentences to questions. Now you can check your replies. Let's compare the future indefinite tense with future continuous tense. If this is now, and I'm talking about some future time, that is 9 o'clock, the sentence would be, I will start preparing for my class at 9 a.m. And then another point in time, in the future, I will finish the preparation at 2 p.m. And when I have to talk about points of time in the future, I use the future indefinite tense. But when I have to talk about a duration, that is from 9 o'clock to 2 p.m., I use the future continuous tense. I will be preparing for my class from 9 to 2 tomorrow. This is the difference between future indefinite tense and future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is only used with action or dynamic verbs because it is possible to do them for a duration. Stated verbs describe a condition, a state, or a situation, and therefore we do not use them in continuous tenses. For example, stress. It's an emotion word. We do not say, I'm stressing. And I would not say, I'm loving it. That would be wrong English. I would say, there is a lot of stress. I'm under stress. I love it. I understand the situation. I understand what you are saying. I know it. I'm knowing it. I'm understanding it would be wrong English. Cost is also a state. The cost of this thing is so many rupees. Have for possession also is not used in continuous tense. I will not say I'm having 5 books. I have 5 books would be correct. That's all for today. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.